Welcome students of class 8. In this period of geometry, we are solving exercise 18b. The figure is given in which we are asked to find the area of the shaded region. The dotted portion of the figure is the shaded region. Inside the figure we are seeing one trapezium is drawn inside a triangle, and the radius of the circle that is equal to 7 centimeter, and the parallel sides of the trapezium is 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter, while this much distance is given 3 centimeter, and the length of slanting line of the trapezium is also given, that is 5 centimeter. From there I have got this perpendicular line from Pythagoras theorem. For that, square root 5 centimeter square minus 3 centimeter square, I calculated and I got this length 4 centimeter. Then area of the shaded region equal to the area of the circle minus the area of the trapezium. Pi r square minus 1 by 2 into the sum of parallel sides into the height, that is the area of the trapezium. The value of pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, minus 1 by 2, the sum of parallel sides, that is equal to 14 centimeter plus 8 centimeter into that height we had got 4 centimeter. This 7 and this 7 cancel, 22 into 7 equal to 154 centimeter square, and this is 22, so 2 11 is 22, 11 into 4, 44 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square minus 44 centimeter square equal to 110 centimeter square, that is the area of the shaded region. In question number 11, the trapezium is given whose parallel sides are 45 and 21 centimeter. This is isosceles trapezium, and the equal sides are 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter. We are asked to find out the area of the trapezium. This CF and DE, these two are drawn perpendicular to the base AB. So EF equal to CD, that is also equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore AE plus FB equal to 45 centimeter minus 21 centimeter equal to 24 centimeter. AE and FB both are equal, so AE equal to FB equal to 24 by 2 equal to 12 centimeter. Then I have found the height of the trapezium, that is CF. CF equal to BC square minus FB square, that is from Pythagoras theorem, equal to root over 20 centimeter whole square minus 12 centimeter whole square, root over 400 centimeter square minus 144 centimeter square. This calculation came equal to 16 centimeter. Now the area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height equal to half into parallel sides are 45 centimeter and 21 centimeter. These two are added, and this addition is multiplied by the height of the trapezium, that is 16 centimeter. This sum is equal to 66 centimeter. This is 2 are cancelled, 33 into 16 equal to 528 centimeter square, that is the area of the trapezium. In question number 12, the figure is given In this figure there are two trapeziums ABCF and CDEF. The parallel sides of trapezium ABCF is AB and CF, whose lengths are given 20 cm and 12 cm respectively, and the height of trapezium ABCF is equal to 10 cm. Similarly, in triangle CDEF, the parallel sides are 12 cm and 18 cm, and the height of this trapezium CDEF is equal to 8 cm. We are asked to find out the area of this figure. So the area of the figure equal to the area of trapezium ABCF plus the area of trapezium CDEF, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height, 1 by 2 into 20 plus 12 cm into 10 cm, plus the area of trapezium CDEF equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height, 1 by 2 into 18 cm plus 12 cm into 8 cm. This sum is being 32 cm, so 2 16 are 32 cm, and this sum is being 30 cm, so here 2 4 are 8 cm. This multiplication 16 into 10 equal to 160 cm square, plus 30 cm into 4 equal to 120 cm square. The sum of these two areas equal to 280 cm square. That is the answer, that is the area of the given figure. In question number 12, Roman number 5, this figure is given. In this figure we are seeing that there are two trapeziums. Those two trapeziums are ABGH and CDEF. In this trapezium, the parallel sides are AH and BG, whose lengths are given 20 cm and 5 cm. Similarly, in this trapezium CDEF, the parallel sides are given 20 cm and 5 cm, but the height of the trapezium is not given. For that, I have written the height of the trapezium ABGH and the trapezium CDEF equal to 50 cm minus 30 cm, that is equal to 20 cm. The height of the trapezium are same, therefore I wrote the height of the trapezium ABGH equal to the height of the trapezium CDEF equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 cm. Now area of the given figure, there are two trapeziums of same height and same parallel sides. For that I wrote 2 into area of the trapezium, means half into sum of parallel sides into height, plus AB BC FG is a rectangle, so area of the rectangle length into breadth, that is equal to 30 cm into 5 cm. And we are seeing here is one semicircle with radius 10 cm. So area of that semicircle I wrote 1 by 2 pi r square. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 10 cm. So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 cm into 10 cm. And after that I calculated it. These two to cancel, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 into 10, 250 cm square. 30 cm into 5 cm equal to 150 cm square. 11 into 10 into 10, that is 1100 by 7 cm square. This LCM became 7, and 25 250 into 7 equal to 1750 cm square. 150 into 7 equal to 1050 cm square, and this is divided by this 7, we got 1 into 1100, equal to 1100 centimeter square. The sum of all these became 3900 by 7 centimeter square. I changed this into decimal, that I got 557.14 centimeter square. That is the answer.